So what we are asking this evening, is the Advani era ending or extending? Let me go straight to our guests. Let me just introduce them. Mr. Sudhindra Kulkarni, BJP leader, and of course someone who has worked very closely with Mr. Advani. We have Mr. R. Balashankar, he's the editor of Organizer, also joining us. And we have Professor Pralay Kanungo, he teaches political science. He's also written a book on the RSS called RSS Tryst with Politics. And of course, Shekhar Iyer of the Hindustan Times. Mr. Kulkarni, if I can start with you, where was he going with this blog?
You see, I was listening to your introduction to the story, blog bomb. You know, it rhymes well, and you know, journalists like to have such catchy.
Mr. Advani praises journalists.
But of course, he's been a journalist himself, and that's why even at this age, he writes a blog. It's remarkable. He is the tallest leader of the party. Mm-hmm. He is the moral authority of the party, and what he has done through this blog is to call upon the party to do introspection at a time when the people are disgusted, angry.
Why a blog though? Shouldn't a memo have done that?
He's been running this blog for a long time. So your interpretation that this is directed against the party president is completely misplaced. I was present at the National Executive.
He says in it, just to recap for our viewers, he says in it, we have not risen to the challenge. These are his quotes. He also says that people are disappointed with us. He also says the UP elections, our decision to take in former BSP ministers, isn't that not a criticism of the party leadership at the time, which is Mr. Nitin Gadkari?
You see, all of us were disappointed at the party showing in the UP elections. At the same time, the party has also done well in other elections, including very significant elections to the corporations in Mumbai and Delhi. Mm-hmm. So the only thing that I do not agree is that the party's mood is not upbeat.
You
the
don't agree with
party's
what
mood
Mr.
is
no,
indeed
but I want to
upbeat.
ask you why
Let me tell you, this before you cut me short.
Yeah.
See, I was present at the National Executive. Advani ji, in his concluding speech, because he is after Atalji, the last word always belongs to him.
Okay.
In the party's National Executive, his concluding speech was full of praise for Gadkari ji. So all this scenario of Advani ji versus the party president, etc., there is no basis for it at all. Okay. The party is moving in the right direction. The National Executive ended on a very positive, optimistic note. There is a sense of determination now coming into the party, and you will see that more and more in the time to come.
Okay. Mr. Balashankar, if I can ask you, like you, there's another mouthpiece, Kamal Sandesh of the BJP, which has come out with an editorial today. Now, coming after the blog, this one, of course, placed the other leaders in the party. What is the BJP worker thinking, getting all these mixed messages? Why are all these, from the blog, then the Kamal Sandesh giving something else? What's happening in the party? What is the worker thinking?
See, first of all, I must say that whenever Advani writes something or says something, it is taken very seriously. And there is a context in which Advani spoke, or when he wrote this blog also. It was after the National Executive. And in the National Executive, there was a decision to take the party forward for preparing for the election and fighting corruption. So in that context, he was introspecting, and Sudhindra Kulkarni is right in saying that it is the introspection of a veteran leader, and Advani has always stood for certain values in politics, and his politics and his political style is very different from the politics that we see today. So for him, politics is a mission. It is not a career.
But isn't it washing one's dirty linen in public, sir? Isn't it washing one's
No, it is not. Because he is commenting about certain trends in politics, and which was witnessed in the last few months. And it is certainly a kind of a roadmap for the BJP, that when it is preparing itself for a big fight, for exposing corruption, the BJP has to be very clean, and it has to be very certain towards what goal it is going. So in that, it is a directive, it is a roadmap that Advani was starting. And I don't see any contradiction in this, because as far as Advani is concerned, he is one person who is always in touch with the cadre, he is always aware of what is happening around, and he has gave the mood of the public. So whenever he is writing something, he is writing with this in mind that the cadre is keenly
Okay.
watching what the BJP is doing.
Okay.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.